Don't want YouTube to keep track of every video you watch? In this video, I'll show you how to clear your YouTube watch history and stop YouTube from saving your future viewing activity. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can view your recent watch history. If you want to remove a specific video from your history, simply tap and hold the video, then select Remove from Watch History. The video will be deleted immediately. To view your complete watch history, tap on History. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Clear All Watch History. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Clear Watch History to continue. Your entire watch history has now been removed. Next, go back and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Manage All History. Then tap Saving Your YouTube History. You'll see that YouTube History is currently turned on. Tap Turn Off, and then select Pause to confirm. From now on, YouTube will no longer save the videos you watch to your history. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more YouTube tips. Thanks for watching.